Hi there, students. A hose, countable noun. To hose down as a verb. And then hosiery, an uncountable noun, and a hosier, a profession. Okay, if you want to water your garden, you've got this long, flexible plastic tube that connects to the tap, and you turn on the water and you use the hose to hose down the garden, or maybe you hose down the patio. You spray with water, and this is a hose. Okay, so hose also means tights, or for example, in medieval times these things sort of like tracksuit bottoms, or tights that people used to wear. These are hose, and people no longer really wear hose, but this still survives in the word pantyhose. The hosiery department or section in a department store. This is talking about where they sell stockings, ladies' stockings, they sell socks, and they sell tights, and this is the hosiery department. And then you have a hosier. It's probably a very old-fashioned business, the person who sells these things. Okay, so a hose, a hose is this plastic tube, where you spray everything and everybody. To hose down, to wash down with a hose, to drench, so he hosed down the patio. I guess you could have an air hose as well. When you pump up your tires or check the pressure in the tires in your car, you use an air hose. But you can also use this humorously to say when you're not wearing stockings. So my granny doesn't like it where young ladies are always in air hose. Okay, so hose. To be home and hosed, this is mostly Australian. To have finished something completely, you've hosed down. Or like drinking from a fire hose. To be overwhelmed completely by something. There were so many clients that it was like drinking from a fire hose. I guess you could get hosed as well, to be deceived or to be cheated. I got hosed by that travelling salesman. To hose someone. Okay, to hose someone down, to spray them completely. The dog. Before you let that dog in the house, you're going to have to hose him down because he's covered in mud. Or after putting soap all over the car, I had to hose it down. You could also say maybe to hose off, to spray in order to clean it as well. This is the idea of to hose down. Okay, so a hose, that's this flexible tube. A fireman uses a hose to put out the fire. And then pantyhose, tights. A lady's tights, but hose in the old-fashioned days, these medieval trousers that men used to wear. And then a hosier or hosiery, the person or the place where they sell socks and tights and stockings and these sort of things. Okay, so a hose. Let's see, formality. Hose, a hose to spray, 5 in formality. He was wearing hose. I guess in the medieval sense, 5 in formality as well, but it's quite unusual. And then I think maybe some of these idioms was like drinking from a hose. for informality. Yeah, air hose, not wearing any stockings, for informality. To be home and hosed, for informality as well. And then as to origin, it comes from Old English, hose or hossa or hossu, which comes from Proto-West Germanic hossa, meaning the hose that you wear. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hose.